Today we're headed to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. It's located right here on the map. We will leave my house here, head up 26. We'll then head on to 40. It looks like there's some stow. And then through the gorge here and around, we'll jump on Highway 411. We'll go by the Bush Bean headquarters where they make all the baked beans, and right over here to Sevierville, and then head down to Pigeon Forge. That'll be our run here today. It's cold. I think it's on the order of 20 degrees here, so let's get out of here. Got a few things loaded up here in the car. Just getting on westbound Interstate 40 now. Just getting off I-26. Weather's decent today. Tomorrow is expecting a big time storm, so hopefully we'll be there, and we're leaving a day early for that reason. Looks good so far. Just about ready to enter the gorge between North Carolina and Tennessee now, headed westbound on Interstate 40. We are at the Tennessee rest stop, and this is the first one as you come into Tennessee. It's just past the gorge. Nice place. Beautiful area here. We are off Interstate 40 now onto Highway 411 South. We're taking the back way in. We're going to go right by Bush's Beans.
Now turn left onto US 411 South.
Heading to Bush Beans and then on to Pigeon Forge. Yeah, so this is Dandridge, Tennessee, and this is the home of Bush's Beans. We're going right by it here on Highway 411. As you can see, they truck out all the beans, probably truck in beans and truck out baked beans. It's quite the place. Up ahead here on the left, looks like maybe their house, don't know. Up ahead here on the left is the visitor center for the beans.
A restaurant.
And a little restaurant. It's kind of nice. Come and get to see A.J. Bush Company. Just coming into Sevierville now here on 411. We are in Sevierville downtown. We're at the head of the parkway now, and we're going to be heading south. Essentially, that's where all the hotels and tourist attractions are. We're getting close here now to all the attractions. You can kind of see some of the stuff here. It's kind of like the Las Vegas of the East. The Upside Down House, Wonderworks. You got the Hatfield and McCoys, and the Tesla wall connector is located right here in the corner here. We're here at the Titanic, world's largest museum attraction. It's kind of a cool place. They also have a couple wall connectors here in the corner of the parking lot, which is great. And we're going to take a little walk. We're charging up here now. We've got 48 amps, 44 miles per hour. That's 44 miles per hour. We are done charging here at the Titanic. Got 135 miles of range. We got here at 85 miles. We're going to go explore a little bit, drive down to Gatlinburg, see what's down there. Just coming into Gatlinburg, Tennessee. It's another touristy place. It's got a Bavarian theme, however. It's kind of cool. video, go ahead and click the like button. If you'd like to not miss any upcoming videos, click the subscribe and click the bell icon, and you'll get notified when a new video posts. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown here at the bottom of the screen will get you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. That code is good worldwide. Thank you for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.